Do fifth one. Okay, so this is, with this we consider x. X plus minus 32 is 48. Plus and minus are together, plus into minus minus. When we take minus 32 on the right hand side, it will become plus 32. 48 plus 32 is 18. So the correct answer is 18 or 4. Now do fifth one. Do fifth one. Now fourth question we have discussed. Now let me give few more questions. Yes, Parth Joshi, fifth answer. Minus 33, absolutely correct answer. What answer we got? Minus 33. Absolutely correct answer. Now let us check. Minus 14 plus minus 19 is equal to dash. We consider x. No problem. Now we have told you whenever two signs are together, you have to multiply. So minus 14, then plus into minus, minus 19 is equal to x. Now check whether they have same sign or opposite sign. Minus 14, minus 19, minus minus same sign. Whenever they have same sign, you have to add the number and take the common sign. Minus minus common sign, minus. 19 plus 40 is 33. 33 is equal to x. So the value correct answer is minus 33. And do sixth one. 18. Sixth answer you are telling me 18. 18 is absolutely correct answer. Now let us check the 18. So 12 plus dash. Dash we consider x is equal to 30. So before equal to it is my left hand side. After equal to it is my right hand side. And whenever we change the side, sign changes. So 12 I will take on the right hand side. It will be minus 12. It will be minus 12. Plus 12 will be minus 12. So you will get x is equal to 30 minus 12. Now check whether they have same sign or opposite sign. Sign of 30 is plus, 12 is minus, opposite sign. Whenever they have opposite sign, you have to subtract smaller number from bigger number and take the sign of bigger number. So 30 minus 12 is 18. Which number is bigger? 30. What is sign of that? Plus. So answer is plus 18. Answer is plus 18. Answer is plus 18. Answer is plus 18. Yes. So, very good. Now do seventh one. Yes, Kishan, why you are joining late? Kishan. Okay. Not an issue. Now start seventh. Kishan, start seventh problem. Now start seventh. Minus 36 plus minus 20 minus plus 8. Minus plus 8. Okay. Minus plus 8. Solve this. Minus 64. Minus 60. Yes. Minus 64 is absolutely correct answer. Let us check. Minus 36 plus minus 20 minus plus 8. So minus 36, I have told you whenever two signs are together you have to multiply. Plus into minus, minus. Then minus into plus, minus. Let us solve 2. Let us solve first these two. Whether they have same sign or opposite sign. Minus, minus, same sign. So whenever they have same sign, you have to add the number and take the common sign. Common sign, minus, minus, common sign, minus. 36 plus 20 is 56. Then minus 8. Again check whether they have same sign or opposite sign. Minus, minus, same sign. So whenever they have same sign, you have to add the number and take the common sign. Minus, minus, common sign, minus. 56 plus 8 is 64. So the answer is minus 64. First second. Very good. Minus 64 is the correct answer. Now do 8th one. Write the fraction 21 upon 8 in the mixed fraction. Write the fraction 21 upon 8 in the mixed fraction. Write the fraction 21 upon 8 in the mixed fraction. So to write down the fraction in the mixed fraction, we divide numerator by denominator. So divide 21 by 8 and write down that in the mixed fraction. Divide 21 by 8 and write down that in the mixed fraction. Yes, Kishan, how was the exam? Kishan? Nice. How much you are expecting out of 25? 24, very good. Because so even though we are conducting remedial class, but I never consider any student as weak student. If the student wish to score good marks, then definitely he or she is going to achieve that good marks. So it is up to your interest. You should take full interest in learning. Yes. Do 8th one. Write down the fraction 21 upon 8 in the mixed fraction. 21 upon 8 in the mixed fraction. Yes, Park Joshi. Park Joshi left. Park Joshi, where you went? Yes, my dear. Park Joshi. My dear, it is very much transparent. Okay. So you have rejoined. You have decided to rejoin. Okay, not an issue. Solve 8th one. Write down the fraction 21 upon 8 in the mixed fraction. Yes, Kishan, Park Joshi. 21 upon 8. To write down the given fraction in the mixed fraction, we divide numerator 21 by 8. To write down the fraction 21 upon 8 in the mixed fraction, we divide the numerator by denominator. Divide 21 by 8 and then write down that in the mixed fraction. So my dear, you have to enjoy learning. You should never feel any subject as a burden. You have to enjoy. You have to learn with the joy. I teach with the joy and happiness. Whenever it comes to teach the student, I feel extremely happy. Yes, 21 upon 8 in the mixed fraction. How much time all of you are taking? Listen. 21 upon 8. Parth Joshi. 21 upon 8 in the mixed fraction. Tell me the answer fast. Twenty-one upon 8 in the mixed fraction. Twenty-one upon 8. Yes, is there is any answer? Kisan, Parth Joshi. 21 upon 8. What type of fraction is this? Tell me. Proper fraction or improper fraction? Yes. So 21 is my numerator, 8 is my denominator. And whenever numerator is greater than denominator, then it is improper fraction. Remember. Whenever numerator is greater than denominator, then it is improper fraction. Yes, I can hear you. Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. What is the answer? Tell me the answer. Divide 21 by 8. 8 2s are 16. 21 minus 16 is 5. So my remainder is 5. So 21 by 8, I can write 8 2s are. So 2 is 2, remainder will go up. 2 is to 5 by 8. And this is the mixed fraction. 2 is to 5 by 8 is mixed fraction. So improper fraction can be converted into mixed fraction by division. Improper fraction can be converted into mixed fraction by division. So what is the answer, Parth Joshi? Kisan. 2 is to 5 by 8. Two is to 5 by 8. So the correct answer is 2 is to 5 by 8. So let's do ninth one. Minus 13 minus plus 12 is equal to dash. Minus 13 minus plus 12 is equal to dash. Minus 13 minus plus 12 is equal to dash. Minus 13 minus plus 12 is equal to dash. Minus 13 plus 12 minus plus 12 is equal to dash. Yes, Parth Joshi, listen. Tell me the answer. Both of you keep your video on. Let me see what you are doing. Both of you unmute yourself and keep the video on. Now let me give you more problems. 10th one. 10th one. Minus 28 plus dash is equal to minus 54. Minus 28 plus dash is equal to minus 54. Then 11th, minus 5 plus minus 4 plus dash is equal to minus 18. then 12th. Write the mixed fraction. Write the mixed fraction. Write the mixed fraction. Kishan, you are there, no? Tell me the answer of 9th. Write the mixed fraction. 3 is to 5, 5 by 7. No, you did not tell me the answer of 10th. First you tell me the answer of 9th. First tell me the answer. First tell me the answer of 9th. 13. Minus 25 plus minus x is equal to minus 30. Minus 25. Okay, ninth one you're telling minus 25. Let us take the answer. Minus 25. Minus 25 is absolutely correct answer. But let us see how that answer is come. So you are telling me minus 25 of answer of 9, correct? Minus 25. Minus 25 is absolutely correct answer. Let us see. Minus 13 minus plus 12 is equal to dash. Dash means x. Minus 13 minus into plus minus 12 is equal to x. Check whether they have same sign or opposite sign. Minus minus same sign. So whenever they have same sign, you have to add the number and take the common sign. Common sign minus minus common sign minus 13 plus 12 is 25. So minus 25 is equal to x. So correct answer is minus 25. Very good. Do 13th, 10, 11th. No, my dear, wrong answer. It will not. No, it will not be plus 82, my dear. This side it is minus 54. Okay. This side it is minus 54. So it will not be 82. Neither plus 82 nor minus 82. Then 14th. 14th. Write 3 equivalent fractions of. Write 3 equivalent fractions of fraction 3 upon 5. Write 3 equivalent fractions of fraction 3 upon 5. Then 15th. 15th. Use greater minus 26. Very good. Minus 26 is the answer, my dear. Because when you will take this is my x. So x will be minus 54 plus 28. Minus and plus opposite sign. Opposite sign you have to subtract. 54 minus 28 is 26. But which number is bigger? Minus 54. So minus 26 is the answer. Use symbol greater, less than or equal to. 3 is to 4 by 9. And 4 is to 3 by 9. Which is greater, which is smaller? Then this is first, now second. Use greater or less than symbol. 2 is to 5 by 7 and 19 by 7. Use greater than, less than or equal to symbol. Yes. 11th answer, you are telling me minus 9. Minus 9 is absolutely correct answer. Minus 9 is absolutely correct answer of 11. Let us check how. Let us check how answer is minus 9. Minus 5 plus into minus will be minus 4 plus dash x is equal to minus 18. Minus 5 and minus 4, they have same sign. So add the number and take the common sign. Minus 9 plus x is equal to minus 18. So minus 9 plus x is equal to minus 18. Okay. Before equal to it is my left hand side. After equal to it is my right hand side. So minus 9 when I will take on the right side, it will be plus 9. So you will get x is equal to minus 18 plus 9. Now check whether they have same sign or opposite sign. Minus and plus opposite sign. So subtract and take the sign of bigger number. 18 minus 9 is 9. Which number is bigger? 18. Sign minus. Minus 9. Answer is minus 9. Very good. Do 12th one. Yes, absolutely correct answer. 26 upon 7. Absolutely correct answer. Very good. Part. So 3 is to 5 by 7, that is given in the mixed fraction. You want to write down that in the improper fraction. Okay. So 3 is to 5 by 7, mixed fraction. You have to multiply 7 to 3, add 5. So that will be 7 into 3 plus 5. 7 into 3 plus 5 upon 7. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 5 upon 7. Answer is 26 by 7. Answer is 26 by 7. Absolutely correct answer. Do 13 one. Chalo. Challenging question. 13 is challenging question. 13 is challenging question. Wrong answer. Not minus 10. Answer will not be minus 10, my dear. Check the calculation. House here. Minus 25 plus minus x is minus 35. Okay. Okay, let us check that. Minus 25 plus minus x is equal to minus 35. Okay. So I have told you, whenever two signs are together, you have to multiply. Plus into minus minus. So minus 25 minus x is equal to minus 35. Now see part. In earlier question, this was plus x. So x I have not taken on the other side. But in this question it is minus x. So minus x I will take it on right side. And minus 35 I will take it on left side. Okay, because this is minus x. Previous question it was plus x. So x I was not taking any other side. But now it is minus x. Minus x I will take it on the right side. And minus 35 I will take it on this side. So minus 25. Then minus 35 will become plus 35 is equal to minus x will become plus x. Minus and plus opposite signs, subtract 35 minus 25 is 10. Which number is bigger? 35. What is sign of that? Plus. So plus 10 is equal to x. So x is 10. Yes, Parth, understood? Yes, it is minus x, my dear. So you have to change the side of x also. If it is plus x, yes. Now do 14th. Complete 14th. Complete 14th and 15th. Write 3 equivalent fraction of 3 by 5. So to find 3 equivalent fractions, first I will multiply this fraction by 2, 2, then by 3, 3, then by 4, 4. You will get, first you will multiply 3 by 5 by 2, 2, then by 3, 3, then by, 6 by 10, yes, correct, first fraction, equivalent fraction 6 by 10. What about second? Yes, correct. Now get third one, very good. You are doing excellent calculation part, very good, I am very much happy. Yes. So do the third one, get the third. So to find 12 upon 20, yes, to get 3 equivalent fraction, multiply first by 2, 2, then by 3, 3, then by 3, 3, then by 4, 4. 4, 4, okay. So first it is 6 upon 10, second 9 upon 15, and third is 12 upon 20. So these three are equivalent fraction of 3 by 4. Do 15th one, chalo. Do 15th one. You have to use the symbol less than, greater than, or equal to. So 3 is to 4 by 9, 4 is to 3 by 9. 3 is to 4 by 9. Yes, tell me. You have to find the value. 3 is to 4 by 9 and 4 is to 3 by 9, no my dear. So mixed fraction, 9 3 is 27 plus 4, 31 by 9, this is 31 by 9. 9 4 is 36 plus 3, 39 by 9. 9. So now denominator is same, 9, 9. So which numerator is bigger? 39. So this fraction will be bigger, okay. Do it. 2 is to 5 by 7 and 19 by 7. 2 is to 5 by 7 and 19 by 7. 2 is to 5 by 7 and 19 by 7. 2 is to 5 by 7 and 19 by 7. Yes, very good Parth, very good. I am very much happy that you did the correct calculation. Equality is there. Because 2 is to 5 by 7 makes fraction, no my dear. Correct? So 19 by 7, 19 by 7 and this is 19 by 7. 19 by 7, 19 by 7 are equal. Yes, so very good Parth. You have very much actively participated in the middle class. Very good. So now we stop here. Okay? Yes. Bye everybody. Bye.